Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you a simple and safe way to download a video from Instagram. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click my mouse. Then I'm going to go to View Page Source. View Page Source takes me to where all the metadata is for the page. Then I'm going to scroll down until I find where it says video. Then I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to press go, and it takes me straight to the video that was playing, except now I could just right click and save the video. So that's just a very safe way to download an Instagram video straight from the source without worrying about viruses or any malware. Thank you for watching and let me know if this tutorial was helpful. Bye!